Hello everyone. Welcome again in our channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today I am here before you with the practice set 2. The topic of that practice set is tenses. Students, here there are 50 questions of tenses that we are going to solve with explanation. So the questions are before us. Fill in the blanks with suitable forms of verbs given in the bracket. So student, let's start solving the question. Number 1. He dash to college every day. Student, here what is the word given here? Every day. So which work we do every day? That the work that we do every day, where we are using which tense? Simple present tense. So here student, according to the subject he, what will be the verb? Goes. Second one, my young brother dashed to Mumbai last month. Student, last month. Last month indicate that the sentence is of simple past tense. So here according to the subject my young brother went is correct, V2. Number third, he dashed from fever since last night. Student, here there is the use of since and for. Since last night. So, when we use since or for in perfect continuous. So, student, here what is the option of perfect continuous? Has been suffering. So, he has been suffering fever since last night. This is the correct answer. Number 4. He dash just now. Student, just. The word just is here. So when we use just in perfect tense. So what is the use of perfect tense? Has plus V3. So here has plus V3 is the correct one. He has arrived just now. Number 5. I dash walking for 2 hours. So again here student, the use of for. So what will be the correct one? I have been walking for 2 hours. So have been is the correct answer. Now student, next question. Question number 6. I dash in Patna since 1993. So again here student, there is the use of since. So I have been in Patna since 1993 is the correct answer. Number 7. The Mughals dash the battles of Panipat. Student, so this is the past sentence, past activity. So we will use simple past tense. That's why V2 won is correct here. Number 8. Stephenson dash the steam engine. Here again student, this is the past activity done already. So invented, V2 is correct here. Stephenson invented the steam engine. Number 9. Mahatma Gandhi dash in 1948. Student, here also this sentence indicate past tense. So that's why died is correct one. Number 10. She dash before her husband came. Student, here there are two sentences. She, here there is before. Before is the conjunction used here. There are two activity, two action. She dash and her husband came. So her husband came. But before she has done something. She had. So which activity is done before? She had died. So had died is correct. She had died before her husband came. So student, we use past perfect tense with the activity that is done first, and then after simple past tense the activity that is done after that. So first sentence, she had died, past perfect, then her husband came, simple past. Number 11. The train had left before they, again there are two student here, the sentence joined with before conjunction. Now the train had left, this is written in past perfect, and second one, they dash the station. So they reached the station. Okay, they reached the station. So this is the correct one. This is simple past tense. Number 12. They will play cricket if the principal dash them. Student, there is condition. If is used here, that's why there is condition. They will play cricket if the principal allows them. So allows is the correct one here. Number 13. He dash a letter yet. Student, yet is used here. Yet is used here. That's why this indicate that it is written in the sentence is of present perfect. So has not written. He has not written a letter yet is the correct one. Number 14. When I dash my work, I shall take rest. Here student, again there is condition that when I finish my work, present tense, and then after future tense is used, I shall take rest. When I finish my work, I shall take rest. Now number 15 students. Question number 15. He told me that she dashed for 7 days. Student, this sentence is written in indirect speech. That's why here he told me that she dashed for 7 days. For is used here. That's why had been ill is correct one. Number 16. Bhavna will have reached home before the sun. Again student, the sentence is joined with before conjunction. That's why Bhavna will have reached home. Will have reached home. One sentence is written in future perfect. And that's why the second sentence will be the sun sets. Present tense. Ajit and Rekha dashed to cinema last night. So last night indicate what student? Past tense. Simple past tense. So went is correct. Number 18. It dashed for 5 hours. Student, for indicate what? Again the use of for and since. So for indicate present perfect continuous. So here has been raining, correct one. Number 19. 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is the one subject here student. That's why makes is correct. Singular subject. That's why makes is correct. Now number 20. My elder daughter dash born in 2002. Student. So here born, what here it indicate past. That's why was is correct one. Number 21. I dash the red fort. Student. So this activity is present in, is connected with present. So here have never seen is correct one. I have never seen the red fort. The activity is connected to the present time. That's why have never seen is correct. Number 22 students. Does he dash fast? So here student, this is interrogative sentence. That's why does is used here first one. So the correct answer is run. Does he run fast? This is the example of simple present tense interrogative sentence. So student, run is correct here. Number 23. The earth dash round the sun. So student, the earth is singular subject. That's why it's universal truth. That's why moves. Number 24. Who dash the Taj Mahal? This is the past activity. This is question here student. Who built the Taj Mahal? Now number 25. She dash the film already. Whenever already comes student, it means that 100% the work is done. So here present perfect. She has seen that film already. Number 26. How did they dash to Mumbai? Student, did is used here. That's why come is correct one. This sentence is in past tense. And this is question here. Interrogative sentence. Number 27. Tendulkar generally dash very well. So Tendulkar generally, whenever generally usually comes, so it indicates that the sentence is in present tense. Which present tense? Simple present tense. So plays is correct. Generally, Tendulkar generally plays very well. Now 28. But today he dash very bad. Today Today is used here, student. That's why is playing. But today he is playing very bad. So is playing is correct one. Number 29. The sun that in the east. Student, this is universal truth na. So here rises is correct one. The sun rises in the east. Number 30. I was born in 1972. So I was born in 1972. This is past sentence, student, past tense. So the second will be also past one. I first dashed to college in 1986. So went is correct. I first went to college in 1986. Now 31. Ice dash at 0 degree C. So ice melts. This is universal truth na, that ice melts at 0 degree Celsius. So student, 31 questions done here. Now 32. By this time tomorrow I dash home. Student, by this time is used here. So this is by this time. It indicates that the sentence will be of future perfect. So shall have reached. By this time tomorrow I shall have reached home. This is the correct one. 33. He often dashes me to dinner. Student, often. Often is used here. That's why invites. Present, indefinite, simple present. He often invites me to dinner. Now, Columbus dash America. So, this is past activity. That's why discovered past tense is correct one. 35. He dash absent for a long time. So, student, for is used here. That's why here perfect has been is correct one. He has been absent for a long time. Now number 36. I saw her when she dashed for the bus. Student, past is used here. I saw her when. This is in simple past tense. I saw her when she dashed for the bus. So what she was doing? She was waiting for the bus. One sentence in simple past, and the second activity is what she was doing that time. She was waiting. So past continuous. Number 37. The lion dashed by Anup. Student, this is in passive sentence. Here this is passive sentence. So the lion was killed by Anup. Now 38. Did you dash her? So did is used here. That's why past tense, and that's why here C is correct. Did you see her? Now 39. I dash college before the bell rang. Before is used here, student. Conjunction before is used here. That's why one activity is done here. The bell rang means the bell rang. Second activity. So first activity, I had reached college. First activity in past perfect. Second activity in simple past. Number 40. My father-in-law dashed for Patna next week. Student, this is a fixed program. So we write fixed program in simple present tense. So leaves. My father-in-law leaves for Patna next week. Now question number 41. Students, the Prime Minister dash here tomorrow. So this is also fixed program, student. The Prime Minister comes here tomorrow. 42. While I was reading, my daughter was crying. Two activities. While I was reading, my daughter was doing what? Was crying. Now number 43. My father dash up at 4 o'clock every day. So every day is given here. So this is habit. So for habit we use simple past tense. So gets is right here. Number 44, student. I wish I dash the chief minister of Bihar. Student. So here this is which type of sentence? Suppositional sentence, student. Here I is supposing. I wish I were the chief minister. For suppositional, student, suppositional sentence we are using what? Were. Past tense. So I wish I were the chief minister of Bihar. Now number 45. When I reached the station, the train dash left. So again there are two activity. I reached the station, the train had left. Past perfect. One in simple past, second sentence past perfect. So had is the correct one. 46. If you dash here, I shall teach you. Student, there is condition, that's why simple past tense. If you come here, I shall teach you. Number 47. Vinay dash approach now. Now is used here, so it means that the work is going now here. Just now. Continue. So is reading. Vinay is reading approach now. Number 48. He dash just dash out. So just indicate student perfect action. So he has gone out. Perfect means has plus V3. So he has just gone out is the correct one. In one here has and second blank gone. Number 49. Hard work dash success. Hard work dash success. So student, this is universal truth. So here simple present tense brings success. Number 50. If I dash a king, I would be happy. Student, again this is suppositional sentence. So were is used here. If I were a king, I would be happy. So 50 question completed here, students. In next video, I will come with another set of series and with another chapter, students. So thank you for watching my video. If you like it, share it, my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.